Let us unbox the all-in-one carrying case from COOWPS for the Nintendo Switch 2. Let's go. Alright, so this is the box of the all-in-one carrying case for the Nintendo Switch 2. If you're interested to buy this, link is in the description. Now, a few months ago, we unboxed the case for the Nintendo Switch 2. This is it from COOWPS. We're still using it, as you can see right here. We've got a kickstand and everything that you actually would need for your Nintendo Switch 2. It protects my Switch 2 really well. It even has this cover right here with all of these provisions for my cards. Now let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, inside the box, we've got here, of course, the carrying case. And inside it are actually the accessories for the Nintendo Switch 2. And I'm going to give you guys a quick overview of everything inside the box. All right, pretty hefty. Has everything you need. Has a good branding of COOWPS right over there. All right, so look at that. It says here, the COOWPS branding. Plus, really good protection for the Nintendo Switch 2. Has here some, I think, for a hook for the sling. The way they designed the zipper is really nice as well. There you go. Now, what's really good about this is the inclusion of quite a number of accessories for your Switch 2. It has a wireless controller, has instructions as well on how to enable it if you want to. They have a cable right over here, which you can use to charge your controller. Again, for only more than $50, it's not too expensive, to be honest. It really is quite sulit, as we say it here in the Philippines, because it has a number of accessories. This is it, guys. This is the controller that comes with it. Again, only $53 available in Amazon if you want to buy it. This one has a really good grip, as you can see. Has an M1, M2 or modifier buttons. You can see it's very clicky. All right. Now it also has, I believe this is where you put actually your Joy-Con. Okay, so it has actually two of these. So should you want to, play with your friends, you can just simply slot the Joy-Con in here and use this as your usual controller or multiplayer controller. And also we've got here, okay, so a few more Joy-Con accessories. So if you want to use this for Mario Kart, you can just simply do this as well. Okay. And also we've got another case for the Switch 2. Now, one thing that I'd like to try out later on is, will I be able to put my Switch 2 with a COOWPS case in here? Apart from that, we've got also tempered glass for the Switch 2. All right, so this is really cool, part of the package. This is basically the sling for the carrying case. You can install that if you want. It also has thumb grip caps if you want to put this on your Switch 2, which is cool. And then apart from that, we've got a case for your SD card, your game cards, pretty nifty. And that's pretty much everything inside the box. It has some slots here. That means if you're going to bring, for example, your Switch 2, you're going to bring, for example, the dock, you can also put this in here as well. Now, the moment of truth, will I be able to put my Switch 2 here with the COOWPS case? I don't think we can. It is not possible to do that. So maybe what we can do is maybe remove the controller and then remove the case of the controller as well. There. And now we can put this on now. Really good. I didn't want to remove the protective cover with a kickstand. I want this here So the only thing that I have to be mindful of is if I wish to put the controllers again, I just have to probably put this somewhere, maybe right over here. Yeah, I can put this here. All right, we can put this right over there. All right, and then we can put the dock here, and then we can place the maybe the other two controllers on both sides. There you go. And it's up to you if you wish to put this here, but this is basically intended for the dock. Man, you cannot remove this part. Yeah, it's Velcro. You can remove it. So this is, if you don't wanna use this part of the case, you may simply remove it. But I'd keep it because that's where I'll put probably I'll put the cables on. And yeah, look at that. Fits right in properly. If I want to put this on, simply do that. And we're good to go. So that has been our unboxing of the COOWPS all-in-one carrying case for the Nintendo Switch 2. I know some of you are interested to buy one. Link where to buy it is in the description box below. Again, special thanks to COOWPS for sending this over. This has been Gian. Catch you in the next one.